Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 4D level lasers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Club Iona 4D Professional Green Laser Level. Specifications. Brand name, Club Iona. Model number, Me16G. Customized, yes. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Size, 22 by 18 by 20 centimeters. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 505 to 520 nanometers. Precision, +1.5 mm, 5 m. Origin, China. Product number 4, QPAR S04CG5RG. Specifications. Brand name, QPAR. Model number, S04-5RG. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Size, 37 by 13.8 by 29.5 centimeters. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 505 nanometers to 520 nanometers. Precision, ±3 mm/10 m. Origin, China. Product number 3, Club Iona 4D 16 lines laser level. Specifications. Brand name, Club Iona. Model number, IE16J. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Size, 30 by 20 by 20 centimeters. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 510 to 530 nanometers. Precision, 3 mm/10 m. Smart device, yes. Customized, yes. Origin, China. Product number 2, QPAR W04CG. Specifications. Brand name, QPAR. Model number, W04CG. Battery included, yes. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 505 to 530 nanometers. Precision, ±3 millimeters. IP rating, IP54. Screen type, LCD screen with backlight. Electronic, yes. Smart device, yes. Origin, China. Product number 1, GISM 4D 16 lines. Specifications. Brand name, GISM. Degree of protection, IP54. Measurement accuracy, ±2 millimeters. Auto leveling range, ±4 degrees. Working range, about 25 m. Number of laser lines, 16 lines/4D. Applicable temperature, -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Battery capacity, 4000 mAh.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.